Welcome back to HitPaw AI Studio. Want to remove emoji from photos with AI? In this video, we will show you guys an online tool that you can remove emoji from pics in one click. It is powered by HitPaw AI, and I have put the link below that. You can go straight to hit it. With this online tool, we can remove text, people, and other unwanted objects in one click. Let's try to clean up this emoji. Click this purple Remove Now button first. Then drag or click to upload an image. Now do you see this magic purple button? Drag it to cover all the unwanted emoji, just like what I do now. Maybe you will find it too big or too small for the objects. This time we have two methods. One is scroll the mouse wheel to enlarge the picture, while the other one is dragged to adjust the brush sides. If you accidentally paint other parts, then you can delete them with this tool. When painted more precisely, you guys will get a more cleaner picture. Once covered all, click Remove button. Wait seconds and subscribe us for more useful AI tools. Look, it's clearly removed. In addition to the HitPaw online object remover, you can also free download the desktop app called HitPaw Watermark Remover. I have also put the link below. With this app, not only can we remove unwanted objects or watermark from pictures, we can also remove them from videos. It is as easy to use as the online version. Again, drag and drop or click to add a picture or video. Then you can choose brush, marquee, or polygonal lasso from selection tool menu on the right. Cover all the unwanted objects, the same as the online one. Select AI model and click preview. Then we can export it and download to the local folder. That's all for this video. Before you go, don't forget to do us a solid and smash the like button. Catch you in the next one.